Do you want to find meme coins before they absolutely explode? We had a major opportunity right here to buy Peanut at that $50 million market cap range right before it skyrocketed to $2.5 billion, basically giving us more than a 5,000% move in just a few days, more than a 50x. I'm going to show you exactly how you can find these 100x crypto meme coins right now. To give you an example, I'm currently in a meme coin position. I was able to enter at this super low market cap range of about 2 million. So right now I'm up more than 100% on my current position, around 130%. And looking for another continued move to the upside. Now I'm actually going to look for another entry as we've come down to a strong, significant liquidity zone, looking for that strong continued momentum push. A lot of times when we are trading meme coins, you have to understand that around 80% of the meme coins are actually going to go to zero and do absolutely nothing. Another 10% of meme coins is going to have a small opportunity, but overall you're going to see a chart where it begins to trend and then absolutely dump, where we continue to make lower low and lower low, never even getting anywhere close back to the old all-time highs. And the final 10% of meme coins we will see that will finally be able to trend. We'll be seeing that continuous stair-stepping pattern, beating higher highs and also higher lows. We will see those strong flush outs because once traders are up massive amounts of money, they will need to sell, and based on the liquidity levels for that particular meme coin will also depend on the type of dump we see. But if 60 to 70% dump is extremely common, especially when a lot of larger positions are actually getting out of their massively profitable trades, then we can look to scoop up and look to trade those cheaply support zone meme coins. So really there is only 10%. We're looking for the top 10% of meme coins to ride these big 100x gains. Again, we're looking for that stair-stepping pattern to the upside where we continuously get higher lows and higher highs. We may have one flush where we are getting that stair-stepping pattern. We try to flush these lows at the bottom, actually hit some stop losses in the market because this provides liquidity. Once these stop losses are hit, we have something like a 0.6 to 786 retracement like we can see here. Then we get that continued move and we look for another push to the upside. A lot of the times what you will see with the coin is one initial pump straight up and then we get that stair-stepping pattern, but actually to the downside where we continuously get these lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and also lower highs. If we were to add an EMA to this chart, we would clearly see that the overall trend is down and to the right, telling us that we cannot ever look for long entries on this particular meme coin. Now let's go over some specific filters that I use here on Dexscreener. So it's top right hand side, we come over to filters. I've right now selected Solana. You can trade any blockchain, but I have so many bots and so many trading tools for Solana meme coins, so it makes sense to trade that. Automatically, it will have 1,000 liquidity. Then for market cap, I like to set this at 150,000. I don't want to be looking at coins below 150,000 in market cap. Also looking for that sweet spot for coins below 12.5 million. I'm really finding that coins between that $1 million to $5 million mark, maybe $6 million mark is really the absolute sweet spot to be finding coins. If you're able to find them at around that $1 to $5 million mark, still leaves a lot of potential on the table, especially if we're going to hit those big market cap zones like 50 million, 100 million, and even more. Next, we actually scroll down and we'll come over to 1 hour transactions. I want to put this at 250. Again, to ensure that this coin is getting a lot of traction, getting a lot of eyes, getting a lot of transactions, and also 1 hour volume. I'm going to set this at $45,000. Again, just to ensure there's a lot of trades, a lot of volume coming into this specific coin. Then we hit apply. Once we hit apply, we've now got a decent list of meme coins that have all of our specific filters. I also click on profile to ensure that they have an overall profile like an X account. And then what I will do is filter by volume. So I do want to be finding coins that are having a large amount of volume coming in them. The top coin for today having nearly $80 million in volume, and it's only just 12 hours old. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up a few on my chart so we can go through them. Okay, so now that we're on a particular coin, I'm going to show you a really cool trick that you can use. So we scroll down on this right hand side, we can see now search on Twitter. When we click on this button, we can see search for duck or search for the contract address. I'm going to click the contract address. What it's now going to do, go into Twitter for me and search the contract address. Now I can see all of the people that are talking about this particular meme coins instantly. I can come in and do some analysis to find which of the big crypto commentators are actually making some content around this coin, who's actually talking about it. Potentially, if we were to see some big celebrities talking about the coin, we would know that it's going to pump and has some opportunity in the market. So this is a really easy and useful tool that you can use on Dexscreener. Just scrolling down to this right-hand side, clicking search on Twitter and searching for the contract address of any specific coin. We could move on to another example on this right-hand side. We scroll down, search on Twitter, search for the overall contract address. Now go through, do some analysis to see who's actually talking about the coin, how many followers do they have, will this have some potential to overall push to a new all-time high market cap. Now coming back to the overall coin, a lot of people are asking me, why do we get these massive rejections at these types of levels? And I'm gonna scroll in and show you exactly why we got some really strong rejections at this level. You would know that if you've been trading meme coins for a while, that this $1 million market cap zone acts as a very strong mental resistance in the market. $1 million market cap is clearly the level that a lot of people take profit, especially if they've bought the coin on pump fund and the bonding curve is around that $100,000 mark. They're able to get out and make a solid 10x once it hits that $1 million market cap. But we can see after some initial pumps, where do we get the rejection and where do we get these strong 80% pushes to the downside at this $1 million mark? Then where do we get another rejection just above this $1 million mark? What type of rejection do we get all the way to the bottom? Over 65%. So you need to understand how strong these resistance level will be, not only based on technical analysis, but based on overall market psychology around these specific market cap zones. The best part about this trading strategy is we can use it as not only a resistance, but now a support to resistance flip. Initially, this zone at the $1 million market cap was acting as a strong resistance like I just went through. But when we get the really strong breakout to the upside here, we had a move from 500,000 all the way up to over 2 million. It had a 250% super strong push to the upside in 1 hour. Now look at where the support zone acts after we get the breakout above this initial resistance. We now use it as support. We can even use the Fibonacci retracement to see we had a perfect retracement level between the 0.5 and 618 level. This is exactly where we got the retracement. And then look, we use this old resistance level now as a support, and we get this huge rocket to the upside, moving from around this $1 million market cap all the way up to nearly 6 million. So then again, in just 2 hours time, you have more than a 500% push. So not only can you basically trade this coin perfectly because you know we're getting some sales at the $1 million mark, regardless of the specific meme coin that you're trading, you also know that once you get this really strong break above the initial resistance zone, it's then going to act as a support on a very high probability percentage of times. And then we can take the trade looking for a near 500% gain in just 2 hours time. One thing you definitely need to be careful of is these potential scam coins. When we see a chart literally only going up and to the right, it's clear that this is a potential scam coin. When we're looking at a lot of other coins, it's clear to see the overall price action, but here we're only seeing price action up and to the right. Here, a big indicator is looking at the volume. We can see every single bar has near the exact same amount of volume, regardless if it was trading at the million market cap or 1.3 market cap. It's clear that this meme coin is using some type of volume bot and is definitely not a legitimate token to be trading. These are the types of really strong coins that I'm always looking to trade. We have that initial major pump to the upside, then we're clearly going to have a retracement. A lot of these people are going to be selling out of their positions because they're up tens of thousands to even hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what I really like to see is eventually we will come in with a bottoming pattern, but then we begin to make this stair-stepping pattern to the upside. You can see here, we made a strong swing high. We've now got a new swing low. We've made a new swing high. So I know exactly if I was to be trading any positions in this area, I know exactly where my stop loss would be. It would be below the last swing level. So I need to ensure that my overall risk to reward and risk tolerance on this trade doesn't break any of my specific technical analysis rules that I am very, very strict on. But overall, you can see we're now having this stair-stepping pattern, and I can look to trade knowing exactly where my stop loss is. When we have another small retracement and then we continue higher, breaking above this new high, then my stop would then be lifted and brought to the next swing high level. Overall, continuously looking for that stair-stepping pattern and then stair-stepping my stop loss up, and also taking profit as we're making that strong bullish momentum play. When you are trading meme coins, don't forget to use TradeWiz bot. I'll leave the link in the video description. You get a massive 10% off all of your trading fees. It's super easy to trade into meme coins, and you get free access to their copy trading and smart wallet feature. So there we have it for today's video. I've shown you exactly how you can find the next pumping meme coins in this crypto bull market. If you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe as it supports the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.